Hey you guys, it's Marianne, and I have a quick little lesson about commonly misspelled words, otherwise known as frequently misspelled words. So anyways, I did want to throw some hints and tips and tricks out there that help me, so maybe it might help you, at least maybe a little bit. So anyways, there is no itses. I don't know if you can see this extra apostrophe, but there is no, I hate to say itses, but see that little apostrophe? There's nothing of that at all. Nothing to show possessive. So it's just ITS. So if you can say it is, then you can use the apostrophe. There's only one apostrophe in it, and it's between the T and the S. There's never one after. We is the contraction for we are or we were. So that apostrophe does not, I've seen it between, where have I seen it? But this apostrophe replaces a letter. So it just replaces a letter. Just keep that in mind, that apostrophe replaces a letter. Okay, so were. Something happened in the past. It's a past tense of was, just were. There's no trick that I know of for that one. Where. There is a trick for this one. So where has this H-E-R-E? It has a here. So here says like right here, like the location or position. And then same with where. Where did you put that book? And so it also like where, what position, what location. So it's the same thing. These two get confused a lot, of course. But one student one time told me like use acquire or accumulate, and they both begin with an A. So I thought that'd be a fantastic idea. How do I tell the difference? I just know. I don't know how I know. I just know. So I don't know. Maybe you just have to get used to it. I'm not quite sure. Except means anything but. Again, I don't know how to help you remember that. Sometimes the British version will pop up and you'll see save, everything save. I don't even know. Anything, but again, it means anything but or except, but that is the British version. Cite is an abbreviation for citation, and you can see the root word in here, C-I-T, so that's an abbreviation. S-I-G-H-T is vision. I don't see that a lot, but I thought I'd throw it in there since site is pronounced the same. And this site. Site is also like location, job site, website, work site, so it's like where. Effect, effect, again, I don't know how I know these, but I do. You just have to remember that affect is a verb, means to change or to impact. The wildfires affected the homes. And then effect is the noun, the result that happens. The effect of the chemical reaction was disruptive. One way I can help you remember is that when you see a, an, or there's going to be a noun that follows like quickly. So it might have an adjective in there though. So like it might say like the disastrous effect of the hurricane. So disastrous would be the adjective. But effect popped up there, see? The disastrous. So there's a noun coming up. And then a little adjective interrupted it, but that noun is going to pop up. There is another thing, location. It has that H-E-R-E in there. Again, location, position, they're all related. So, and then there they are, again, the apostrophe replaced. There is an, what's the word? Replacement for they are, or I'm sorry, contraction for they are. And then the A is represented by the apostrophe. Again, the apostrophe replaces a letter. So here we have there, and I think this is just getting kind of lazy because this there is easy. A lot of times I see this there and that there mixed up. You just gotta be, just not you per se, but some people get a little lazy. And if you notice, there's an I in there, and that means a little more personal. Like I means personal. So there's that I in the word, and it refers to something personal, like their books or their bird. I'm being silly. Their school. So it's pertaining to somebody. Then refers to time, and I just know that, like, comparison, something is bigger than something else, something is better than something else. And how I know that is because of the A. Well, I know it just because I know it, but maybe this might help you. There's an A in than, and there's an A in comparison. You're comparing something. A is an article. It comes before a noun. An article is also an adjective, if you ever need to know that. It comes before a word with a consonant. And then an comes before a word that begins with a vowel, or it comes before an acronym. So let me just say a few things here, though. A and an. You know, this English language is just kind of crazy and hard to learn, but sometimes you have to use discretion. So, like an hippopotamus or a hippopotamus. So, that is a consonant. So, yeah, a works there, but how about this one? An humorous joke. Like, that isn't going to work. A humorous joke. Well, that probably does work, doesn't it? Sometimes if you have an acronym, or sometimes if you have sometimes a lot of times with H, these two are kind of, you have to just decide. So the reason for these two different ones are for pronunciation. So just use your discretion. You do have an option. You do have some freedom. And then you actually have some freedom up here. Where was it? I thought you had some freedom up here, but maybe not. Could be just another word. So anyways, I'm sorry I went on, but just know that, and good luck on the quiz, you guys. Have a great day.